This video is for Math 150, student Emily Ploch, Chapter 9, Section 2, question number 55. So the question asks, explain why the t-distribution has less spread as the number of degrees of freedom increases. The correct answer is the t-distribution has less spread as the number of degrees of freedom increase because as n increases, s becomes closer to standard deviation of the population by the law of large numbers. So, so the way you find the standard deviation of the population when you only have the standard deviation of a sample for a t-distribution is it is equal to standard deviation over the square root of n. So therefore, as n gets larger, standard deviation gets smaller. So for example, if the standard deviation was 1 and n was 2, you would have a standard deviation of 0.5, or no, you would have a standard deviation of 1, because that would come out to 1 over 1, which is 1. But if your sample size was 4, you would have a standard deviation of 0.5, because then you would have 1 over the square root of 4, which is 2, so 1 over 4 is 0.5. So as n gets larger, the population standard deviation is going to get smaller.